student, I, Soumen sir, lecturer in mechanical engineering. Today we are going to learn maximum bending moment of standard beam. Chapter name Bending Stress in Beams under Strength of Materials. This column types of beam, this column maximum bending moment, this is remarks. This is the figure of cantilever beam. A point load act at P end and this is the fixed end. Length of the cantilever beam capital L. This is point load W. So maximum bending moment W into L. This is the figure of cantilever beam. This is the fixed end. This is the UDL. That means weight per unit of the beam is omega per L. This is the total length L. Now, total weight of the beam W equal to omega per unit length, omega into L. This is total weight of the beam. Here, maximum bending moment, this W into L by 2. This is the simply supported beam, supported at this end and this end. Length is L, capital L. W weight act point load act at center. Here maximum bending moment W into L by 4. This is simply supported beam, supported at this phi end and this phi end. This is the UDL load. Total length capital L. Omega is the weight per unit length. So, total weight of the beam capital W equal to omega into L. Maximum bending moment in this case, this capital W total weight into L by 8. We remember this formula, W into L, half W into L, 1/4 W into L, 1/8 W into L. For special case, this is the simply supported beam, supported at this point, phi end at this point, total length capital L, a UDL load omega per unit length, a point load W1 at a length L1 from this end. Total weight of the beam W equal to omega into L. Here maximum bending moment W1 into L1 by 4 plus W into L, W means omega into L, by 8. This is the cantilever beam with UDL load, total length capital L, UDL load omega per unit length, a point load W1 act at phi end, this point. Here total weight of the beam W, capital W, equal to omega into L. So maximum bending moment formula W suffix 1 into L plus this W into L by 2. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.